Have you ever wondered why some men seem to have women chasing after them while others struggle to even keep a conversation going? It's not luck. It's not just about being tall, handsome, or rich. And it's definitely not about buying her gifts or showering her with compliments. Attraction isn't random. It's psychology. Women don't simply fall for words, looks, or money. They respond to something much deeper. Energy, confidence, and the emotions you create inside them. Most guys approach attraction the wrong way. They try too hard, they give too much, and they end up looking desperate. But the men who truly stand out, the ones women can't stop thinking about, know how to tap into her psychology. They know how to plant emotions so strong that she feels a magnetic pull she can't explain. In this video, I'll reveal 7 psychological tricks that make any woman not just attracted to you, but obsessed with you. These aren't silly games or manipulative tactics. They're based on how female psychology really works. If you master them, you'll never have to chase again because women will naturally chase you. Now, let's break down each one. Number 1, praise her mind, not just her beauty. Almost every guy tells a woman she's beautiful. It's the first compliment men reach for. And while it's nice, it's also the most predictable thing she can hear. She's heard it 1,000 times before. But when you compliment her mind, everything changes. Praise her intelligence, her creativity, her ambition, or even the way she thinks about the world. Suddenly, she sees you as different from all the other men who only notice her appearance. This works because beauty might attract her attention, but being understood wins her heart. When you notice the qualities she values in herself, you touch something far more personal than her looks. That's when she starts thinking about you long after the conversation ends. Number 2, pull away when she wants you closer. Most men smother a woman with attention the moment she shows interest. But here's the paradox. The more available you are, the less value you project. When she leans in, don't always lean in harder. Pull back just enough to create space. This doesn't mean ignoring her or playing cold. It means holding your ground and letting her feel that she has to keep investing to win more of your attention. This space creates tension, and tension fuels attraction. It signals that you're not desperate, you're not easily won, and you're not afraid to lose her, and that makes her chase harder. Number 3, make her subtly jealous. Jealousy is one of the most powerful emotions in attraction. When a woman realizes that other women notice you, desire you, or value you, it instantly raises your worth in her eyes. Now, this doesn't mean you flirt with every woman in front of her. That will only make her lose respect for you. Instead, it's about social proof. Mention casually that you had female friends compliment your work, or let her see that you're admired in social settings. The moment she realizes she could lose you to someone else, her desire to keep you for herself skyrockets. That competitive instinct kicks in, and she starts investing even more in you. Number 4, act like you could walk away anytime. Women are drawn to men who are independent, men who have standards, and men who don't cling. When you carry yourself as if you could walk away at any moment, you project strength. This doesn't mean threatening to leave or acting arrogant. It means living in a way where your life doesn't revolve around her. You have your own goals, your own passions, your own mission, and she's a part of your world, not the center of it. Neediness kills attraction. Independence builds it. When she senses that you don't need her but choose her, she respects you more, and that respect fuels her obsession. Number 5. Be unpredictable. Never let her fully read you. Routine kills excitement. If she knows exactly what you're going to say, do, or text every time, she'll eventually lose interest. That's why unpredictability is so powerful. Keeps her guessing, and it keeps her engaged. Change your rhythm. Be spontaneous. Surprise her with something she didn't expect. Keep a part of your life private and mysterious. Mystery is addictive. When she feels like there's always more to discover about you, she can't stop thinking about you, and that curiosity turns into attraction. Number 6. Trigger her competitive instinct. Most men give their attention away too freely. They're always available, always chasing, always waiting for her to decide. But here's the truth. People value what they have to work for. If she feels like she has to earn your attention, she'll value it more. When you don't give everything away instantly, she begins to see your time and energy as something rare. And rare things are always more desirable. This doesn't mean playing games. It means setting standards. Not every woman deserves your full focus. And the one who realizes that you're not easy to win will fight harder to keep you. Number 7. Give attention, then take it away. This is one of the most powerful psychological triggers in attraction, the push and pull effect. When you give her moments of deep connection, eye contact, genuine conversation, laughter, she feels an emotional high. But when you pull your energy back to focus on yourself, your goals, or even just silence, she feels the absence. And that absence creates craving. Humans always want more of what feels scarce. When she knows what your attention feels like but doesn't have it all the time, she'll think about you constantly, and that's when the obsession begins. Conclusion: attraction isn't about chasing harder, begging for attention, or trying to impress. It's about understanding psychology and creating emotions that last. Use these 7 principles wisely, and you'll notice something powerful. You won't have to convince a woman to like you. She'll feel it on her own. She'll think about you when you're not around. She'll compete for your time, and she'll crave your presence more than anyone else's. If you found this video helpful, don't just click away. Hit that subscribe button right now because I'll be dropping more videos with the exact tools and psychology that will completely change the way women see you. Remember this: women don't fall in love with what they see. They fall in love with how you make them feel. So apply these 7 psychological tricks and let her obsession take care of itself.